Okay, I left the word memory B straight from Google, not my own words. This is how to pronounce it.
Cache. Cache.
Cache isn't cache, but we do it as cashe. That gives it the it deserves. So it is a collection of items of the same type stored in a hidden or inaccessible place. Right. To delete temporary cache files, you go to your start. You type disk cleanup. Click on this app right here. You're going to select your primary disk where your operating system is installed, and for most people it's C. And you're going to click OK. And you're going to wait it to calculate and scan your disk. Now you're going to have a bunch of files you can delete. Now read carefully and delete the ones that you need to delete. These ones you can delete. They are program files that have been downloaded but you don't need. Temporary internet files you also don't need. You can clean those up. The error reports you can clean up. If you go down the thumbnails, you can clean up. The recycle bin, if you don't have anything that you want to restore, you can clean up. But be careful, I do not want to clean my OneDrive, so I want to click that one up, and I want everything else to be deleted. Now here it tells you how much space you are going to delete from your cache, and you're going to click OK. Now it's going to ask if you want to permanently delete these, and you're going to press delete, and you're going to wait for it. Now this will depend on the speed of your computer. The faster your computer, the better. The slower it is, it might take a little bit more time. Now after it has done this, now the next temporary file we are going to delete is the Microsoft Store file. So you're going to go to Microsoft Store if it's not open. This helps if you're having problems installing apps or you've got problems opening your Microsoft Store. So this is a Microsoft Store. So cache includes the pictures that come out here and stuff like that. So the first thing is we are going to close this window and you're going to click run. So you're going to run a program. To do that, you can go to your start and right click, and then you're going to go here where it says run. If you don't want to do that, you can press Windows plus the R key, and it will still give you the same command. So run, and you're going to type WS reset.exe executable file. That is what exe means, and then you're going to press that OK, and you're just going to, it's going to pop up this thing and it's going to delete in the background. It will close this window automatically when it's done cleaning, and when it's done it will open the Microsoft Store again. Now you can safely close and know that you have resetted your Microsoft Store. Now up next, another thing that we can flash if you are having a slow internet connection is your DNS. So what you're going to do is going to start, and you're going to right click, and you're going to open command prompt as an admin. This one, not this one. So we're going to click as admin, and then you're going to say yes, run it as an admin. Now you are going to type this code into it, ipconfig//DNS and then you're going to press enter there, and it's going to be very short and quick, and there you have it. You have flashed your DNS, and you should have your renewed internet cache. The next we're going to clear is our internet browser cache. Now this, if you don't clear it, will slow down your browser, your streaming services, and also affect a whole bunch of other things. Now if you're using Edge, Microsoft Edge, just as much as you're using Chrome, you can still do the same thing. Go into settings. On Chrome, just go into tools, and then you're going to go where it says clear browsing data, and then you're going to click where it says choose browsing data, and you're going to choose what to actually delete. What I would urge you to delete is your browser history, your cookies, the data and files, cache data and served, the tabs set aside or recently closed unless you need them, then your download history, form data, media licenses and website permissions that you can clear. And then when you've done that, you're going to say clear. Now you can opt to put this on every time you close it, it clears off, but I'm going to keep it off. So you're going to press clear, and you're going to wait for it to clear. and this is specifically for Edge. However, it is a similar method in Google Chrome and Opera and any other browser that is out there. Now when you're done with this, you can finally close it and we'll move on to the next one. Now if you're having trouble with loading history in Microsoft Explorer, you're going to open your Explorer and then you're going to click here, on menu bar view, and you're going to go to options and you're going to clear here. This will show recently used files in the quick access or this history. You are going to clear it, and after you clear it, wait for it. Yes, so that's done. It's renewed. It's as good as luck. It's brand new, right?